Good morning. My name is Kemp. I come from Sydney and regretfully, I've been through the turmoil of divorce. Not something I wrote in my book. However, I'm going to go through that chapter. I was determined to go through that chapter and turn the page and have a look what's coming up next. What came up next was the Women in Transition course. The introduction, this woman stood up there on the top of that podium and instructed me to move and then said who didn't move, and of course it was me. And I was relegated to if you don't follow instructions, I can't teach you. And I knew no matter what was going to be dished up here, I had to do this because what I'd been doing wasn't working. It wasn't working at all. I'd tried different things. I'd tried different courses. I'd spoken to lots of my girlfriends and worn their ears off to the point they didn't want to hear anymore. I made a determined effort to myself and I promised myself I wouldn't look for the answer in the bottom of the bottle. So I never drank by myself at all. And then came on to the course. The course helped me work through what it was and how I ended up here. That was my whole issue. How did I end up here? I was smart. I knew things. I could run a family. We paid off a house. We had investments. We did all of these things. And yet here I was divorced. So this actually taught me that I was here because I needed to be here. I put myself in this position. I knew that there was a way to dig myself back out again as well. And I knew that I could come out untarnished. I could come out ready to face the world again and to face myself and be confident in myself. And it's been hard at times. It's been also a little bit questioning as to, is this right? Because people you know want to push you back where they know you and you don't have to fight them. I think that's the part that I learned. I don't need to fight you. I don't actually even need to convince you. I just need to be there. And once I started to be there for myself, and most importantly, I became me. And I became me and I became a softer version of me. I didn't have to stand there and wait to see what you were going to say because it didn't really matter. It didn't matter. It was more important what I said to myself. And what I said to myself was, you're really nice, actually. You're fun, you're clever, and people might not like you, but you don't have to be liked by everybody. So, yeah, I'm glad I did the course. I'm glad it's taught me so many things. It's reinforced things that I actually knew, and it's helped me push away things that I accumulated that I actually didn't need and that weren't mine to carry. So do it. Do it for yourself.